Automate social media in minutes with AI. Running a business and posting daily? Exhausting. But what if AI could plan, design, schedule, and even reply automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered system for social media that works for you 24/7. Step 1. AI-powered content strategy. Start with strategy. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate a full week of content ideas based on your business. Ask, "Give me 5 Instagram post ideas for a fitness coach." Copy and refine. Step 2. Auto-create visuals. Next, visuals. Canva Magic Design can instantly generate carousels, reels, or static images. For video, try Pictory. Just plug in your content and let the AI design it. Step 3. Write captions and hashtags. Now let's caption it. ChatGPT or Copy.ai can match your brand tone. Want reach? Paste your captions into Flick, and it'll give you the best hashtags to rank. Step 4. Schedule automatically upload your content into Buffer or Metricool. Drag it into your calendar, choose your posting times, and boom, your entire week is scheduled. Step 5. Auto-engage with comments and DMs. Keep your audience engaged without logging in. Use ManyChat or Tidio to auto-reply to comments, answer FAQs, or send DMs when someone likes a post. Turn this system into a service. This system doesn't just grow your brand, you can sell it as a service. Set it up once, then manage accounts for clients on autopilot. Monthly income, minimal work. Subscribe for more AI money systems. This is how you automate social media with AI and turn it into a business. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another system drop from Digital Cash Empire.